As an instructor, your presence in the Yellowdig community is vital, but that presence should be easier to manage than a discussion board and more interesting for you as well. Rather than leading a weekly discussion, your role is to be another citizen of the community and to model the behavior you'd like to see from your learners. When starting your Yellowdig community, it's helpful to set expectations with learners around the purpose of the community, what they should expect from you, and your explicit expectations of them. Yellowdig is a different experience than a discussion board, so this will reduce the ambiguity of being in a new environment. You can do this by creating a short introductory video in the Yellowdig community. Modeling behavior for learners. Yellowdig communities work best when the instructor models the behavior they want to see, rather than leading every conversation. Yellowdig and its gameful learning point system, as well as Yellowdig topics, are designed to motivate learners and encourage course-relevant, organic student conversations. When a new course is starting, the instructor can model the type of posts they wish to have learners produce. Our data shows a correlation between instructor commenting and learner participation. In other words, commenting by the instructor tends to lead to more learner participation. Beyond initial or occasional posts to share information or model the type of posts that learners should try to emulate, instructors should consider commenting on learner posts when that will extend or redirect a valuable conversation. For example, when that post isn't getting the traction it deserves, or if the instructor wants to add a new perspective to an existing conversation. Of course, you should feel free to post occasional course information, questions, and polls for learners, but not requiring all learners to answer any particular question. Using no-point topics when the instructor posts can assist with this. A strong instructor presence is a vital way to build toward a successful Yellowdig community. Another valuable and easy way to model behavior is through the thoughtful use of Yellowdig point-bearing accolades to recognize outstanding posts and comments that you want other learners to emulate. Consider using specific accolades to recognize specific types of encouraged behavior. For example, if you encourage your learners to answer each other's questions and let them know that they'll earn points for doing so, they will have the valuable experience of trying to effectively communicate those answers to their peers. After this, though, they will still likely want to know which answer they should rely upon when studying. Here, the verified response accolade can be used to point out the best learner-submitted answer and can then be an effective tool to create a study guide for learners. It can also help alleviate your burden of answering all learner questions. Other accolades can be used to point out outstanding learner contributions to the community and effectively model that behavior to other learners as well. One good way to get learners back into the Yellowdig community is by using permalinks from that community. Permalinks are available on every Yellowdig post and comment simply by clicking the three-dot menu at the top right of that post or comment. When shared, they offer a one-click journey to any individual post or comment that the instructor wants to share, and they can be used as an effective tool to drive learners back into the community to that particular post or comment. They can also easily be copied to share outside of the Yellowdig community in any other course communication or materials. Sharing key Yellowdig conversations in emails to learners, synchronous sessions of your course, or even that learning management system page can create interest, show value, and point learners back to the community. It also helps show that you care about what is happening in the community and are treating it as an indispensable part of the course.